I always think about cooking as a piece of art. It's not just cooking. It was starting when I was a child. I was working with my grandmother doing ravioli and some fresh pasta in the kitchen. Still remember the flavor and scent of the tomato sauce. My grandmother now is 98 years old. I tried to ask her, she don't remember. So I tried different combination. I let it taste it, and she said, this is mine. You're stealing. In your life, you need to listen your heart.
The beauty of our job as a chef is to see different things, and I like to go on the market during the morning. At least you can see a little bit the product, the way they prepare and what they do with the ingredients.
We are not really following trends. We prefer to set trends. And setting trends is getting new ideas. We go out, we eat in restaurants, we check out new restaurants, and then we come back with the new ideas and we create new dishes. The most important thing is that you are working with your heart.
You can be the greatest chef in the world. You know, if you have a lousy tomato, there is nothing you can do with it. You should never compromise on the quality, because for me, certainly coming from my background in the kitchen, the most important part of the cruise is the food for me. And the quality of food is always has to do with the quality of the ingredient.
The whole family were all chefs. Both my mum and my dad were really against it at the beginning. I can get a little bit emotional on this one because at the beginning it was pretty hard. They just didn't see what I was passionate about. And I said, this is what I really, really love doing. And at the end of the day, that's what drives you and that's what gives you inspiration in life. My parents are very proud of me.
A lot of people experience where they go by the art, the history. I connect where I am through food and wine. We go to markets, we go to local places of culinary interest. I try to find things that are off the beaten path, people who have a great story to tell, and that's what we do. They come into our cooking school, they strap on an apron, they have a knife, they have pots and pans. You can teach Greek cooking at a cooking school anywhere on land, but when you're in Greece, it's magic, because you're there.
We have just fantastic chefs on board. They are just people that enjoy cooking. They would do anything to make the guests happy and prepare meals, unforgettable meals for everyone.
I think it's coming from the heart.